In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Privy for Shopify. Today we are going to walk through the exact process of installing Privy from within your Shopify admin. This is a straightforward setup step, but it is important to follow along carefully so the app installs correctly and you can start using it for your store. To begin, open your Shopify admin. You can do this by going to your Shopify store dashboard and selecting the Shopify admin area. If you have multiple stores, make sure you are in the correct one. Once you are inside the admin panel, take a moment to look for the left side navigation or the main menu area. You should be able to find where apps and integrations are managed from here. Next, go to the Apps section in Shopify admin. This is where Shopify lists the applications you have installed and also where you can discover new ones. Depending on your admin layout, you may see a direct link to apps, or you may find apps under a broader menu related to sales channels or settings. The goal is simply to reach the page where you can manage apps for your store. Now that you are in the apps area, you will want to go to the search function. Look for an option that lets you search the Shopify App Store. In this step, you should search for Privy. When you type, Shopify will display matching results. Make sure you are selecting the correct listing that is for Privy, since there may be other similar tools or related services. After you search for Privy, click on the Privy app result. This should open the app details page. On this page, you can review what the app does and confirm that it is intended for Shopify use. You may also see screenshots, features, and other information that helps you understand the purpose of Privy. This is a good moment to quickly verify that you have selected the right app before moving forward. Once you are viewing the correct Privy app page, you are ready to install it. Click the Install button. Shopify will then start the installation process. Depending on your store settings, Shopify may show prompts asking you to confirm the installation. If you see a confirmation, proceed only when you are sure you want to add Privy to your store. While the install is running, take a moment to stay on the page and do not refresh or close it. The installation usually takes a short time, and you want it to complete successfully. After the install finishes, you should see a message or status update indicating that Privy has been added to your store. This means the app is now connected at the basic level. Finally, after installation, you can go back to your apps list to confirm Privy is present. This helps ensure everything is working as expected. At this point, you have completed the main step required to begin using Privy for Shopify. From here, you would typically follow whatever onboarding or setup prompts the Privy app provides. But for today, we are focused on the installation steps inside Shopify, and that covers everything you need to know for using Privy on your Shopify store by installing it from the Shopify App Store. And that is all there is to it.